Hey Basic Travelers, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a really exciting card, the Chase Freedom Flex, that is dropping today. So this card has some really great benefits that we're going to get into. I'm actually going to go over 10 reasons why you should have this card in your wallet. Reason number 1, it's coming with a new $200 welcome offer after you spend $500 in 3 months. Number 2, there is no annual fee. I feel like that just, no annual fee, you're basically getting $200. Number 3, you get 5% cash back when using the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal to redeem for travel. So this could be flights, hotels, excursions, car rentals, anything that you're booking through the portal. Number 4, you get 5% cash back on grocery stores up to $12,000 for the first year. So if you maximize that value, it's $600. So take $600 plus the $200 welcome offer, that's $800 in the year for no annual fee again. Number 5, you get 3% on dining. Number 6, you get 3% on drugstores as well. Number 7, 5% quarterly category bonuses up to $1,500 in combined purchases. So this is similar to the Chase Freedom card, which they are discontinuing, that each quarter they got a 5% categories that you would earn extra up to that $1,500. Number 8, you get 1% on everything else. So no matter what, you get 1%. Number 9, this is a new one for this brand of a card, the Chase Freedom. You get cell phone protection. This is when you pay your bill with the cell phone, you get up to $1,000 per calendar year. It's a max of $800 per claim, and you can file 2 claims per year. Number 10, you get travel insurance, which covers up to $1,500 per person and $6,000 per trip for prepaid non-refundable passenger fares if your trip is canceled or cut short by sickness, weather, or other covered situation. So that is all we have for you today, the Chase Freedom Flex and the top 10 reasons why it should be in your wallet. We have some links that you can get in the description below. We appreciate you using our links if you apply. It really means a lot to us. We get a small commission for sharing our news with you, and we definitely would appreciate that. So again, a quick wrap up. The biggest factors I would say are $200 welcome bonus, that is a no annual fee card, and up to $12,000 in grocery store spending, which is 5% cash back on grocery stores. So that's another $600. Those are the 2 reasons why I'm going to be applying for this card right away. So check out our links and let us know if you apply. Until next time, Basic Travelers, see you then.